This week on the Campfire Gourmet, it's going to be 4 cheese, chorizo, and bacon stuffed jalapenos. Just doing the prep work now. Halved, seeded and veined jalapenos. There's the aftermath. And here we have fully cooked beef and pork, chorizo, bacon, goat cheese, cheddar, Monterey Jack, and a bunch of different spices. Doing a little of the prep work. Okay, beginnings of Campfire Gourmet. The preppings of the bacon wrapped 4 cheese, bacon and chorizo stuffed jalapenos, skirt steak, fajitas,
Hey, I gave you 4 pairs of shoes.
Are we inserting music at this point?
something like that. Ribeyes, bacon wrapped, chorizo, bacon, 4 cheese stuffed jalapenos, cooked over hardwood campfire